PTZ camera may mount it soon with remote control. Then we'll also talk about IP cameras, their network based high resolution. Then we'll talk about thermal camera. Then at module 3, we'll be talking about CCTV system components. Under CCTV system component, we'll look at camera. Cameras are meant to capture video signals. Then we'll look at DVR versus NVR recording system. Then we'll look at the cables that we use for cameras. What are the cables? We will talk about the RG59, Cat5, Cat6, fiber optics cable, and so on. Then look at power supply unit, popularly known as PSU. Then the UPS, that is inverter. Then solar option. Then looking at the storage devices, we'll be talking about the SSD, the HDD, and the ROAID. My computer student, what is the meaning of ROAID? Huh? What's the meaning of ROAID? No idea. Go and find out. You are doing computer, you don't know ROAID. Now, module 4 also will be on CCTV installation, where we'll be conducting a site survey, then how to place your camera, how to lay your cables, then step-by-step installation procedure. Then under module 5, then we'll look at lamp setup for IP camera. Then we'll also look at static and dynamic IP address, mobile app integration, how to integrate these cameras on your mobile app, and cloud storage setup, how to set them up on the cloud. Then also we'll be looking at the maintenance and troubleshooting. We'll talk about the routine maintenance schedule, common issues, what are the issues that you likely encounter while you are working on this camera. Then something like blurry image and IR failure. Then also preventive measures, what are the things you do to avoid issues from occurring. Then finally, here we look at advanced CCTV technology, those technologies that are advanced. Under the advanced CCTV technology, we will talk about the AI powered analysis, face and motion detection, then smart homes and IoT integration. Then also the future trend, 5G, cloud AI, drone based CCTV. So all these things we will look at in this CCTV class. Then module 8 will be practical lab exercise, where you have a hand-on wiring and crimping. We are going to practicalize them. Then the DVR configuration exercise. Then also group installation project. We are going to make a group installation project, especially the IT students. Then simulation and troubleshooting. The IT, I mean the training. Then at the end of the whole exercise, we are going to do an assessment and assignment. We'll do a multi-choice question. We'll serve a question to everybody, we answer it. Then practical assignment. Then we will now do a final project, design a CCTV system. Then after all this, Dee-Jovicx, anybody that participates from the beginning of the class, from module 1 to module 9, at the end of the whole exercise, I'm going to issue us a certificate to the participant. Basically, CCTV training certificate. Then quickly, we move to module 1. Now let's look at evolution of CCTV. Every module of this class is very important, because at the end of the whole class, as at the end of the class generally, I'm going to do a general assessment. You will answer questions, and it's only those that are successful on my question, those are the ones that will issue certificate of training. So now, history and evolution of CCTV. First of all, what is CCTV? Let me take, what is CCTV? What is CCTV? You know the rule now. You work by the rule. 50 pounds. You pay my question, you pay 50 pounds.
Closed circuit television.
Closed circuit television. Explain CCTV. Explain what CCTV is all about.
CCTV camera. CCTV is a device used for monitoring events.
So CCTV is a device used to monitor an event. What is CCTV?
CCTVs are a device that monitors activities being carried out in the
All these people, they are not correct. You fail it though. You said CCTV is
It's a device that monitors the activities being done under a particular environment.
You are not correct. What is CCTV?
CCTV is an electronic recording device used to keep track and record events.
What is CCTV? No idea. 50 pounds. No attempt to pay money. What is CCTV? Abel, who is recording the money? You have started. It says CCTV is a camera device that casts a signal to TV.
CCTV is an imagination of recording devices which transfers signals and whatever it captures to a particular system and it's not broadcasted recording.
CCTV is a surveillance system that
Half for half first. It's okay. No need. Next. She's the only person that said the keyword that I want to hear. The only person.
CCTV is a set of system. It's a system that is used to transfer video signals using cameras to a set of monitors.
Next.
It's a system of cameras used for surveillance and security.
Next. Next.
CCTV is a system that captures the movement of a particular area.
Next.
CCTV is a monitoring device used to monitor the environment.
Next.
CCTV is a device that
For next time, as I said next, you will say next. Next. We don't have. Once you know that you're a stammerer, so no need. If I say next, no. Once I say next, you say next. Then you know.
So CCTV is a security device that helps to check or watch ongoing events or past events.
Next.
is a surveillance device that has the ability to replay or view a live recording for security purposes.
Next.
CCTV is an electronic device that is used to capture activities.
Next.
CCTV is a security or surveillance device, video device that is used to capture, monitor what is going on in a particular area.
Next.
A CCTV is a system that uses camera to monitor and record in a specific location.
Next.
CCTV is a surveillance system that transmits video by cameras network.
Next. Next.
Finish.
Next now. Yeah. Happiness.
It's a surveillance system that records events and it can be reviewed.
Okay. Clap all of yourself. Now, what is the difference between CCTV and camera? I want to start from the last person. What is the difference between CCTV and camera? The last person that spoke.
The last person that spoke.
No. It's not the last person that spoke. Last person that spoke. What is the difference between CCTV and camera? I'm listening now. Victor.
So no idea, sir. It's confusing.
Confusing.
Yes, sir.
Who have answer?
My name is
I am Emeka.
But the difference between CCTV and camera is camera is just a device that monitors, while CCTV comprises of camera and other device.
And if you carefully listen to all our definition, you see that some persons we are talking about just camera. I did not say what is a camera. Now we say CCTV is closed circuit television. CCTV system provides surveillance capabilities using the protection of people, assets, and system. The CCTV system serves mainly as a security force multiplier, providing surveillance for a larger area, more of time than would be feasible with security personnel. Now, when I'm talking about CCTV, it's not just one component. I talk about every component put together. I don't know if you understand. So don't get it twisted by feeling that once they say CCTV, that means it's just what is it called? CCTV is just what you are thinking about. Then now, on the big one, let's look at the evolution of this CCTV. 1942. Somebody say 1942. 19 what? 19 what? 19 what? If there is, in fact, you can change your password to 1942 so that you will remember. You can change the ATM pin. Choma, change the ATM pin to 1942. So now, at where? Germany. The first documented use of CCTV was by who? Engineers to observe V2 rocket launches. I don't know if you understand. That is where they use it first. To observe V2 rocket launches. It allowed the scientists to monitor launches safely from a control room. You understand? With the help of CCTV, they were able to monitor what they are launching. And when you hear this, when you hear rocket, you know what I mean now. How many of you? Eh? Hello? Do we know when we hear rocket, you know what I mean? Choma, if you hear rocket, you know what I mean. You don't know the rocket I'm talking about. Secretary, if you hear rocket, you know what I mean. Celebration. Sometimes, if you hear rocket, you know what I mean. What do I mean?
Like used to launch satellites to outer space. Space rockets.
Emeka, you know what I mean? What do I mean?
So I think it's just like those, just like some people say.
You don't know what to say. Come on, help him.
It's a launching device. It's just like those motors that be playing, spaceship used to launch.
Yeah, spaceship is set for space exploration. Right.
For what?
Space exploration.
So now, that was 1942. Then also 1960. Hello, 19 what? The United States and the United Kingdom started deploying CCTV in public areas for surveillance and traffic monitoring. So by 1960, these states started deploying this thing to monitor their traffic. To monitor what? Their traffic. In fact, they will keep it at the traffic location so that they will be able to see what is going on. Then between 1970 to 1980, commercial use grew rapidly in banks, casinos, airports, and government buildings. Analog camera with coaxial cable and VCRs were the standard. So in those days, what they actually use is analog camera. As at that time, life has not gone digital like this. Then in 1990, digital video recorder DVR replaced VCR. What is VCR? Go have an idea. What is VCR? Go and find out the meaning. Improving recording and retrieval quality. So, do you know that time that we usually put cassettes? Cassettes?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, you were born then. Huh? You were in that generation.
Yes.
No, it's not
Get
true.
some type of cassette. Why they use
Those ones that has rope now.
No, not be that one.
That one.
There is one big one that came out. Then there is one small one before. Later, one big one. There is one again, playhead. Go and find out from your. That they use playhead. They will be playing it.
Yes, I saw it now.
You saw it.
That's why it's film.
You saw it.
I saw it.
Okay, you saw it in your grandfather's house.
Yes.
Used. Your grandfather was using it. Ah, this guy don't do. So now also in the year IP cameras emerge. Hello, IP cameras emerge. Which year? With remote viewing. IP cameras emerge with what? Remote viewing. Today, CCTV integrates with an AI, cloud storage, IoT. IoT. Frank, what is IoT? 15 naira. What is IoT? Stand up. What is IoT? What is IoT? What is IoT? 50 and nobody should use Google, otherwise I'll send you. Use Google, come, do it now. Open it, open it. Don't use ChatGPT when I'm still here. It could distract you. What is IoT? Stand up. I want to donate 500 now. No. IoT. What is IoT? But let me know meet somebody that know it too. What is IoT? No, you can tell them. Speak up. Internet of plan for this. Internet of things. Hold on, sit down. Collect money from them. Listen, computer came AI. Is evolution of IoT. You understand? Before we were doing abacus, small time enter 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, blah, as in blah blah blah. They enter. So if you go into evolution of computer, you'll be able to know what I'm doing. We were operating on IoT before AI based. AI now come on board. Another thing loading. Which one is that one? Oh yeah, let this guy answer us. After AI, which one are we envisaging? After AI, which one is next? After AI, huh? I'm not sure. Are you sure? Huh? What is AGI?
Artificial General Intelligence.
Artificial
General Intelligence.
is a branch of AI.
No, it's the next best thing.
The next generation. Like this, we are entering it through. You know these people, they don't rest. So now, today CCTV has been integrated into AI. So gone are the days that we used to say this, do like this, do like this. But this generation, if you watch, some of us that have been here for like 3-4 years, you can believe me that the type of camera that you were seeing 4 years ago, the clarity is not the same with this time. In those days, you'll be seeing like different things. But these days, social, because most of them are AI based. This time now, voice, two-ended. I speak, you speak, and so on. So those are the evolution of cameras. Now, CCTV is a very important device, and it's not just camera as you feel. It's combination of so many things coming together to form camera. We have components that make up CCTV. 1,
Camera itself.
2, 3. Components that make up CCTV. 3. You don't have idea, just say no idea. 4. Antenna. When you want to broadcast? No, you are not right. Next.
Signal transmitter.
Signal.
Transmitter.
All these people, where are they, but they see them? What do you mean by signal transmission?
Signal transmitter is the one that does the communication between the Wi-Fi and the receiver.
What is the name?
It's not the signal transmitter. I don't know the exact what.
It's called signal transmitter at where? In your school? Huh?
That is the general name.
Signal transmitter. Pascal, tell him the meaning of what he's saying. DVR. Digital video recorder. That is what they call it in this context. Now, I would say that CCTV systems serve mainly as a security force multiplier, providing surveillance for larger area. More of time than would be visible with security personnel alone. CCTV systems are often used to support comprehensive security system by incorporating video coverage and security alarm for barrier, intrusion detection and access control. For example, CCTV system can provide the means for access and alarm generated by intrusion detection and record the event. Then I will also say that a CCTV system link camera to video. Look at this. A CCTV system link a camera to video monitor using a direct transmission. You use a link camera to video monitor. But monitor, what is monitor? Like your TV. So now, this differs from broadcast television. Let's get it right. There is a broadcast television, there is a CCTV television. That you now have closed circuit television, and there is also open circuit television. Now, where the signal is transmitted over the air and viewed with a television. You understand now? Open. That broadcast is open. you transmit over the air and they view with TV at their end. But this one is closed. You understand? Within the circle of where you are. Now, new approach within the CCTV industry are moving towards more open architecture and transmission methods versus the closed circuit hardware connection system of the past. Now, look at this. If I want to connect a camera, I link some camera by wire. Those are wired type. CCTV, we have wired type of CCTV. Then we have wireless type of CCTV. Hello? Wired, the one that you use cable. Wireless, you don't need cable. You connect via what? You connect through what? There's a technology that we use to connect. Nothing that. There's a technology that connects to the DVR and the camera. So what is that technology called? Oh yeah, 50 bar. Next. I generate a lot of money today. Cynthia. No, Wi-Fi clap for this guy. It's technology of Wi-Fi that enables you to connect, interlink the two cameras together. So now, CCTV system has many components with variety of function, features, and specification. The key component includes, let's look at the component that will make up this CCTV. One, I have the camera. Then we have the power supply, and the rest of that. You can mention them. Let's start mentioning. I think we mentioned them now, Nabi. We'll stop here.
No, we stop that.
Next. Cable. Next. Manager. Complain and make us CCTV. Camera. So we mentioned camera. You mentioned camera already. We mentioned, what did you mention?
Router.
Camera.
Router for remote viewing. Next.
Antenna.
Huh?
Antenna.
I don't know where you need it. 50 back. Monitor. Somebody has said, okay. You mentioned monitor.
Yes.
BNC. Next.
Power connector.
Next. Next.
Power supply.
Next. Next. 50 naira. I said okay. Next. Which type of cable?
Cable.
From inside even this.
I would do cable.
Okay. Have anybody that did not answer question? 50 naira. Next.
SD cards. Sorry.
Okay. Next. Yes. It's correct. There are some. No, apart from that, we have DVR now that is correct. That's internet. Next. Yes.
Remember, it's been now memory card.
50 packs. Well, excuse me. What is the difference between SD card and memory card? Better look for another thing than oh yeah, be fast. There's something like that again that you can even mention. Like it's like SD card you can mention. You want to mark yourself? Okay, man said he want to help you. He might say he want to help her.
Hard disk.
Hard disk, clap for it. That's DVR. And so on. Video balloon. So many components that make up this thing. Now also, I said the components, look at it, the component configuration option and features available in today's CCTV market create a complex set of purchasing options. It is intent of this book to provide information on the capacity and elimination of CCTV components that will aid an agency procuring a new CCTV system. You can't just come up and say, give me CCTV. There are things that make up CCTV. So CCTV is not something that you just walk and say, and I get CCTV, give me CCTV. You must be able to determine the needs. Where do you need it? What do you need it for? Which role? Where do you want to be? That is why sometimes we check the site. You can't just carry camera and place here. What is the role of this camera here? Where do I want to cover? I want to cover people around here. Then I have another one. We have another one here. We are covering people that are here. This one, there is a in this point because of this thing. If this thing is not here, maybe we just make it direct. Because of that, we place another one here to cover people that are here. Then if you look carefully, you might see another one. So there used to be another one here also. Seeing people, okay, we have one here. So this one now take care of the back view. So you cannot just come here. Like sometimes I look at the activities of the people around here. Sometimes I'll start laughing because some of them doesn't know that they are on a very serious coverage. Very, very serious. There is no part of this place that you are that we are not seeing. So even on my mobile phone and everything. So now that is the essence of CCTV. Then sometimes if you look at where we are today, you see a lot of insecurity. Then a situation whereby somebody will just be driving, you get to Oweke Junction, you beat the traffic, you go, nothing, no camera, nothing to maybe after you beat the traffic they stop you and they are telling you that you beat the traffic. You say I did not beat traffic. The guy will be confused. Why? If they have camera, the guy will play for you. Look at this, you beat traffic. Then you pay fine. So but here, somebody will just drive, you beat them. You still want to fight them. You are the one that beat Frank. You are the one that beat traffic. You beat traffic. They stop you. And they try to query you. Why did you beat traffic? Then you are still shouting even when you beat traffic. But if these people have evidence, they'll play it for you and lock you in the prison. Now you pay the fine. So now, that one in traffic management, CCTV is very good. I'm looking at the good aspect of it now. Now also, in business management, for me to take ownership of my business, for me to know what is going on, for me to know everything in business, then CCTV. When you have CCTV in your business environment, you bother less. I can be in America, I can be in which country? Huh? I can be in India, I can be in Niger Republic, I can be in Niger Republic, I can be in Senegal, and the rest of others. But guess what? I don't need to panic because all activities of the business is under my view and under my watch. So that is why you cannot tell me, I cannot call and ask them which time did Oge leave the office. From my camera, I know when he left. Even when he is stepping out, he's covered. When he gets down, she's covered. When he go outside, she's covered. The location she faces, whether she enters inside or outside. That is the work of camera for you. Then we need it in the churches. We need it inside church. There are people that steal offering. Yes.
Oh yeah, they get bored.
After they count offering, They will remove some portion of the offering. What about if we install camera where they are counting this money? Do you think we'll not be able to fish out those stealing church money? Now, the fear of CCTV is the beginning of good behavior, because they know that they are under coverage. They'll be able. Some of us that are very wise here, that knows that you're under coverage, they try to comport themselves. Even if sometimes some people will lose guard. They will lose guard. Number one, prestige. So now, we need it there. Then talk about your house. You have a housekeeper. You have a nanny that used to press your children. If you watch online, you see where nanny is pressing the particular baby. You want to kill the baby. You will do something to keep them. But they capture those things through what? Footage. CCTV camera will show you. Sometimes, if it's very late and I'm going to my house, if it's very late and I'm going to my house, I'll log into my camera at the front. I'll view my surrounding first and check whether there is no, if nobody is around my surrounding, then I'll not drive down and enter. Safety. So with the help of the camera, I'm able to see my environment. I view the environment. Oh, this place is safe for me. Now there are some times that some persons, they want to see you and you are in the office and you don't want to see them. From the camera you have seen that this person, I don't want to see this person. It gives you a first-hand information ahead. Then it's not only limited to all these places. Then you talk about your investment. By the time Pascal want to build that plaza at Abuja, Pascal will need a solar PTZ camera installed before work starts. In those days, somebody will tell you, I use 100 bags of cement. But now, as they are bringing the cement, you are sitting down at your phone. Maybe you are in America, sir. You are sitting down, cement what? You tell the person, welcome, oh. The person says, thank you, sir. You can. Cement 50. As you are missing, you are seeing it. At the end of the day, nobody will tell you that they use this or they use it, because you have the gadget to monitor. Advantage. Now, with the help of CCTV also, like our cars, you can install camera system in your car, whereby from there you view. I think there's one that we posted recently that we have now. Now you can view. They cannot just come, carry your car, steal your car and go. You will see everything. You will see before the person will tamper with the camera. The camera will record the person, so you see everything. So all these are advantages of CCTV. In fact, in this generation of insecurity, in this part of insecurity, CCTV becomes one of the major tools for us to guide our immediate environment. Now, this CCTV class, we're going to spend a lot of time looking at the CCTV entirely, what it's all about, how it come about, which we have just done, types of camera and different types of camera. So we advise that you all follow me very well, so that at the end of the class you will be able to know exactly what we are doing. Now, all these things doesn't just work, it works by design. You can't just wake up. Like yesterday, the camera work that we went to, I sent Emeka first, go and check what you need. He went there, assessed the system. Okay, we need 4 cameras. One cover here, one cover here, one cover here. Now, look at this. This is a camera. As long as this camera is not rotating, This camera cannot view itself. Can you view your eye? Can you view your eye? Can you view your ear? Why? Can you see your ear? Why? Why? Yeah, you now.
Because your field of view is not up to the front of the ear.
This place is a blind spot to my eye. This place is a blind spot to my eye. This place is a blind spot to my eye. This place is a blind spot to my eye. Right? So where can you see with your eye now? Which part of your head can you see with your eye? Even that nose, you might not be able to see. So the areas that you cannot see, hello, the area that you cannot see with your camera is called blind spots. Now, what do I do for me to conquer the blind spot? Come on. This is me. This is Stanley. I'm viewing Stanley. Then Stanley is viewing me. Anything from me go back, Stanley will see it. Anything from Stanley go back, I will see it. So when you are installing a camera, watch out from the blind spot and use another camera to cover it. Stanley cannot be standing, and I feel that, oh, once I put one camera, unless that camera is 360. We have some camera that has a convex view. It can view, it might not even be 360. You can hardly find a camera that is 100% 360 unless it's rotating. Unless all these things now that they are bringing up another, some will have 10, 100, all those stuff. Yeah? Like the one Frank installed that day. So now, these cameras, when you install one at one end, this is this place. If not that this camera is 360 and I just want to cover from this point, if there is not taken, if I stand here, this camera might not be able to see me. But it's only seeing me because it's 360. It has an equal eye. Now, for me to capture back of this camera, I need another camera at another location to capture back of the camera. Now let's look at these cameras. What do you think that is the difference between iPhone and Techno? Some iPhone and Techno. What do you think there is the difference? What are the features that are different? Choma? Okay, let's do now. Ocha, which phone are you using? Huh?
Smart.
Techno. Priscilla. if Priscilla phone ring, you'll be thinking that a fly is like, which phone are you using? Maybe if I make money, maybe I will dash you phone. Which phone are you using? iPhone. Even the iPhone can still ring like that. So now, hello. If I take a picture with our phone and I take a picture with our child phone, which one will be clearer? Our own. Why? Hello, why? Why do you think our own should be clearer? Who have idea? Now that leads us to what they call resolution. Now, the more the resolution, the clearer the picture. Now, you know, the cost for resolution is expensive. Something that will make something to be very clear. Something that will make something to appear. And it's, if you watch the latest TV now, you will see that the TV that we used to watch when I was born in those days, there is an advancement from that type of TV. That time, black and white. Like, if they are playing ball, Okocha collect the ball, he give to Yasidi Yekini. Yasidi Yekini. We no dey see these people, we dey only see movement with our TV. We only see that because they pass the ball and we know that the ball is flying, it's going towards the person at 9. We now say Okocha is with the ball. And maybe the commentary that in those days they used to, if they are not doing commentary, you will not enjoy the match. But these days now, even if they are not doing commentary, you enjoy the match because you are seeing the movement of it. That time, commentary, number 1, take the ball, give pass to number 2, give to Rashidi Yekini. But the TV will just be shaking. We are not seeing their face, we are not seeing the ball. The ball will look like rock sef. TV. Then later they brought, I met generation of black and white. Later, we start seeing color TV. My father was the first person that bought color TV in my village. So that time in our house, people used to gather our house. We have lister generator. In the evening, by 7 o'clock, we on our generator. We will have more than 100 person villagers. Everybody will gather our house. They are watching TV. And that time, Nollywood newly come out. There's a film that we usually watch that time, Living in Bondage, where we have Andy, Merit, and the rest of others. So that time, if you are my friend, I will put you. Like we used to select, if you are my friend, you just come, I will put you inside. So now, small time, another person bought TV again in the village. So some person shifted from our own to that person, but that one doesn't on his gen on time. He usually on his gen late. But my own, once my father comes around straight, gen will be on till we want to sleep. So now, from there we migrate. Now, you can actually be watching ball. It look like the person, you can even feel the person. Scream. It look like when the person take the ball, it look like he want to go and give you running to exit. So you see what technology has done. So now, these things become clearer and clearer and clearer. The thing that causes this clarity is resolution. And resolution is measured by what? You have idea? Yeah, pixel. When we talk about mega pixel, if you look at iPhone X and you look at iPhone 13, there are different megapixel. The more the megapixel, the more clearer it becomes and the more expensive it is. So when you look at a phone, you not just carry phone. And if you need camera like this phone, I bought this phone because when I saw the megapixel, it was okay. And I think Victor can attest to it that the phone has good picture quality. I snapped this one. Somebody with iPhone 13 snap. I snapped. When I showed the person camera for this phone, the person was like, which phone is this? I said, nah, Samsung. Small money. He said, I'll go and buy it. You understand? So now, because the resolution of this one is higher. I'm sure this one is AI based. So now, you understand what it means? So that is why when we are classifying this camera, we start talking about 1 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 3 megapixel, 4 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 6 megapixel, 7 megapixel, 8, 9, 10, and so on. The more the pixel, the more the clarity, and the more. Now look at it again. There are some cameras that they will be able to see, but they will not be able to detect. Have you seen a situation whereby somebody come, they stole money, you saw that this person stole money, you try to zoom, but you cannot see the person well. You understand? You zoom, you cannot see. He's not recognizing, but he's detecting, he saw it. Fine. But he's not able to recognize that this is Pablo. So now, these features is also what makes some camera to be more expensive than the other. There are products in the market that are more expensive. Why? Because these ones, current concern, when you view it, you will see Pascal. Pascal will look like Pascal. Not the one that Pascal will be looking like Ebube Chicken. So, did you understand now? So, camera is measured by MP. Now, at every point in time that you want to do a camera work, you need to assess what you want, which I've said before. Then you look at the site and blah 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 blah, and the rest of others. Then by the time you are able to put all these factors together, I am sure that you will be able to know the actual thing to do when camera is involved. Then you look at the camera. Which type of camera do I need? Where do I want to cover? I want to cover a small area, like from here to here. Now you now went and buy 5 megapixel. Why? You look for something that will fit that area. Then I want to cover a distance. Then I can buy a higher resolution so that even when the thing is far, it can picture the person or the thing very well. But because some of us, we did not undergo proper training, that is why somebody can just, anything you see you buy. Then you want to make money, you are buying anyone. So but when you know the right thing to do it. And at the end of the day, you see that you make name. Good name, they say, is better than, good name is better than what? Good name is better than what now?
Sure.
Good name is better than what?
That's 10 million. Nothing. You sure?
Then also, before you think of camera, think of what will power the camera. This person was returned because we want to install a network booster. Then we did not think of what will power the network booster. I forgot to tell them. So now, camera need power to operate. In as much as the cameras need power to operate, you think, what do I want to use to power it? Do you have gen? Do you have NEPA? Do you have solar? Is it solar based? Can we install solar? Because you cannot just install camera without power. What will power it? So power is one of the essential units of camera. Think of what will power camera at every point in time. Then it's not just. Then also look at which type of camera do I want to use. As in which type of machine. Is it IP based camera? Is it normal camera? Is it a camera that has light, that is full color day and night? So, but the factors that you put into place, where, okay, for instance, I install camera in my room, and of course you know, full color has light. Once I off all my light, the camera light on inside my room. And I cannot off the camera. So, what is the point putting full color there? Because it will not on. There will be lights. And the light, you have already off your existing light. The light of the camera will not be disturbing you. So that is why, where you want to use it, will determine the type of camera that you use. You don't just take camera and you install. Which type of camera? Is it full color? Full color has, in the night, colored day and night. Now, there's something they call infrared. Now, there are some of the cameras that in the night you turn black and white. Because those cameras doesn't have lights on its own to bring out. You know, if I off all the lights here and I put camera here, the camera will not be bright again. there's no light that camera needs much more than sunlight. When you see sunlight, as in camera is always happy to see light because you need light to work. Now, immediately you switch off, the whole Pascal is sleeping. Where did he go in the night? Immediately you switch off, everything will turn black and white. Then when it turns black and white, the black and white, you will be seeing the person. But when the camera has light, those cameras that has light, we call them full color. Day is colored, night is colored. But the colored at night is not as much as the colored as day. So take note of that also. Then do you know that cameras need maintenance? Cameras need what? Maintenance. Day to day, you need to maintain your camera. There are especially cable line. Sometimes those cables will look caked. They will look like some parts, some things are worn off, some things are not functioning, things are not working well. What do? You check properly. So you always do a routine check on cameras. You always do your routine check on camera time to time to know whether it's okay or not. So I'm sure at the end of this class, most of us, we are going to learn a lot. I'm just taking time to give you a preamble of what to learn. If you look at this very well, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Motion detector.
Do you know that I can link a motion detector to my camera, to my DVR? Now if I link that motion detector to my DVR, if you are coming in, once the camera sees the person, it connects to the intruder, and the next thing, alarm will now blow. You understand? Or you send you a message, someone is at your gate, someone is at your door. So those are the things. Then we have the cameras. We have different types of cameras connected together. Now that means I have my DVR. These are the things. All these things here at the close, at the end of this class. I think this series of class will take up like 1 month. So at the end of this class, you will probably come out and you install camera. So congratulations to most of us here that don't know how to install camera. At the close of this class, you'll be able to know how you install your cameras. So I advise all of us to always be available. Always be available, especially the people that they selected for the class. Not everybody that always appear here live. But the good thing is that we also have a class on our YouTube page, so you can always refer to it and check out for things. So now, what is the role of a monitor here? Joma, what is the role of a monitor here? Now you today. What is the role of a monitor here? There was an amnesty last time, so some person's money has drastically reduced, especially those that were in the office on Monday. So congratulations to all of you. So the money has started raising again now. You don't have idea? Go clap for her now. She said she don't have idea. She has just reached our pocket with 50 naira. Eh? So what is the role of monitor here?
It's for you to be able to watch what is
For viewing. What is the role of router here? Then David, what is the role of router here? Everybody get ready for your
Internet.
internet on what? I know router is for internet now. Here, what is the role of this router here?
For the system now.
Are you talking to your husband?
Sorry, sir. For this, the system, normal system.
To do what?
People connect internet.
Clap for him. For the DVR to be able to connect to the internet. That means if we have a DVR that uses SIM card, I'm sure we don't need router. Now, what is the work of DVR here? 002, you need that. What is the work of DVR?
The work of DVR there is to be able to display
The monitor display now.
the DVR display through the monitor.
Send the monitor.
Yeah, it sends
You got a smartphone. You don't use smartphone. You got the small one. It's also work of it. Who have idea again? Work of DVR. If you know you want to pay somebody out, someone that has paid, you like the person very well. Raise someone that is owing. Okay, you can pay yourself. Who is owing? Pay yourself. Work of DVR. You are sitting down.
DVR transmits whatever the camera is showing to the monitor.
Clap for him. DVR. See, I can liken DVR to be, is it your brain or your heart? Brain, Abi? Yes. I can liken DVR to be the brain. You understand? Collect, work on it, output. Collect from here, bring them together, harmonize, then bring that output. Ocha, I wanted to say something. Is it the same thing? Say your own.
I'm saying it's how actually major components in this camera that stores and manipulates.
Laugh for him. It's a more professional way of putting it. Can I do what is here? There's something here that I can do without. Laugh for him. Oh yeah, 50 there.
This CCTV, without the TV out, you cannot receive any video.
What can I do with that?
Okay, can't.
Yes.
I always be very. I know he was thinking that I was saying something that must be available.
Yeah.
There's something here that I can do without. Tell me. Okay. That clap for her. It's optional. The person might not want to view it. There's another thing here that I can do without.
The monitor.
Monitor, clap for him. It's optional. I might have a router. I don't want to use monitor. I start viewing through my phone. My phone is also. So now, there's also. Can I do without camera?
No.
Can I do without DVR?
No.
Can I do without monitor?
Yes.
Can I do without router?
Yes.
Can I do without BNC?
No.
Can I do without cable?
Yes.
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 In a wired connection, can I do without cable?
No.
In a wireless connection, can I do without cable?
Yes.
Finish. Simple. So try to understand wireless and wired. In a wireless connection, can I do without router?
No. No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
In a wireless connection, can I do without router?
No.
Okay, answer that question. Answer that in your mind. Yes. There's an answer in your mind.
In wireless connection, whether can you live without router?
Yes, I can do it that router. The MVR is already a Wi-Fi system. Already have one, unless the MVR doesn't have Wi-Fi, and they have. For it to operate wirelessly, there is the MVR that connects with the DVR, with the cameras. So the camera has IP setting. They have a protocol. You understand? They have IP address. So once it sees the IP address, both of them they will intercommunicate and you will not see the camera. But router is for internet enablement. For me to see this camera remotely. Some of us are internet enablement to our parents. Hello. Some of our daddies doesn't know how to press phone. They are not WhatsApp. Now your brother in abroad will call you and tell you give daddy phone. You now go and give daddy phone. What have you done? You have bring your brother and your daddy together. Then the router bring the network and give to the DVR. Now the DVR will now see the network. But guess what? So DVR are not internet enabled DVR. That old modern DVR they are not internet enabled and they cannot access internet. They cannot browse. For DVR, for this DVR to also see this thing, there is a feature DHCP, something like that, that you must enable so that the DVR will be able to see the router. Now, another thing again that is important on the router, there's something very important on the router. What do you call it? SIM card. There must be a SIM that will bring the router is not wireless to operate on its own. You understand now? The router operates with a SIM card. You insert your SIM card, it is the SIM card now that will bring the network signal to the router. Then it will now intercommunicate with the DVR. Hello? So now, on that note, you'll be able to see it. The model technology system, this guy is standing alone. Modern technology, DVR stands alone. What about if I build router cards inside the DVR? I just open the DVR and insert SIM card. I've been talking about this, though. Most of us are thinking that it's well. You understand? That means I don't need this one. I don't need LAN cable. You see now, I've saved cost. Now I just collect my SIM card DVR and I put it. DVR have access to the internet. I don't know if you get it. So I'll now push this one away. Some of us doesn't think far. You are thinking within reserve. Your mates are thinking towards this side. You are thinking towards this side. Anybody that thinks towards this side, error. Think towards this side. Michael, think towards. Don't think towards. What in they decide? Miracle. Think towards. Don't think towards.
Ask everything they decide before you think forward ever.
So what I mean is that, see, I'm not discouraging some of us, but some of us like the farm more than even our parents. You like the farm. Even when your father and your mother never tell you say come weekend, like they go, you won't go chop food for inside farm. So now farm is good too. Don't get me twisted. Farm is good. So, but what I mean is village. I don't mean let me correct. Think towards town. Don't think towards village. make that money, then go to the village and eat the money. So now, we proceed. Huh?
You don't make the money in the village.
And you can still make it depend on what you think. After you graduate from university, they averagely, to train somebody in Unidel to graduation should be up to 5 million minimum. Am I lying? You buy food, you buy accommodation,
House rent service.
pay house rent every year. Every year. No, I'm saying if you want to live a low level life, so a year, you spend nothing less than 1 million, and you have 5 years. So average you spend 5 million. Some have spent 10 million. So
Yes, man.
go and start calculating so that you know you are owing your parents, you are owing your guidance. Now, I don't know if you understand. Now after I have paid all these things, you now come and be dragging pot of soup with me. I go push you. I swear. After paying all these things, you are telling me that you want to come and make money. Where? Where? Where do you want to? Where? Inside my so please let's think wise. Let's think very wise. So that now quick one before we round up. Also we'll be looking at cameras, image sensor, lens, the PTZ cameras. We'll look at PTZ cameras and the rest of others. Fixed camera, PTZ camera, and then connectivity, day and night cameras. So the class promised to be so exciting and so okay. I think so far so good. We have taken you around what we will do. So, and I need some of us to ask some questions. So if you have questions, you ask before we proceed. Because I have 30 questions this morning. I'm listening now. Yeah, good.
I want to understand the function of these CCTV cameras. Because there's one in my house. I don't really understand. At some point, it rotates. The camera rotates. So, when it rotates maybe left, what about the activity going on by the right? How can its picture at that particular time turn it on your
PTZ.
Yeah.
PTZ.
Is it PTZ camera?
As long as it's rotating, it's PTZ. Now, look at this.
Technology.
Rotate that camera. So, as at the time that this guy is rotating that camera, if something is happening here and the camera is moving towards that direction, see that side again. Guess what? This camera has a feature that detects motion. If I'm in so angle, you see this camera, if you move, if nobody is here, because we are many here, you move towards this side, the camera will follow you. You move towards the other side, the camera will follow you. You understand? So that's how they design it. So that, but if, for instance, somebody is here, the guy will be confused. He doesn't know where to go. So the next thing is, you meet one person. Like this one is positioned to one direction. Do you understand?
So yes, I understand.
So now the shortfall is that you need 2 cameras in that location to cover the other side. Why not install one again facing facing that side, so that when this guy is moving, the other one will be seeing that one. Finish. That is why they come up with dual lens. Dual lens. Dual lens position one direction, while the other one will be moving. So the one that position one direction is there as a standby. Then if you set the other one to be there, it will now rotate. So that one side, that back, remains secured and covered. Next question. Go ahead.
I want to know if voice detection is a special feature to the CCTV camera.
If voice detection
Special,
is a special, depends on your definition of spatial.
like is it for some specific camera or is it
No, sit down. It depends on what you want. There are places that I don't need voice. I don't want to hear what they are saying. You understand? Like supermarket. And inside that supermarket, noise. This one on top, this one on top, this one on top, this one on top, this one on top. Do I really need to detect voice? Which voice will I detect inside the market? Traffic light, inside traffic light. You understand? So such places I don't need it. But in a calm and silent environment that they discuss about someone a lot, in a technical place, in a technical office, that they discuss about someone a lot. In the sales department, that Choma and Oge discuss about someone a lot. I need a voice so that when Oge is talking to Choma, I'll be hearing. So that, oh yeah, that.
What I'm trying to know is that you see that all cameras come with that feature. There is no for you to update it.
No. The more the feature you introduce, the more expensive it is. We have CCTV, we have camera only, normal one. We have camera with voice. We have camera voice and color. We have camera everything. Some motion detector. Some can detect motion and trigger alarm. So it depends on the picture you want. That is why if you enter our camera shop, you'll be confused. Your head will scatter because they bring out some. You know, if not that we have a code, they will even sell voice thinking that they have sold the other one. But we have a code that we use for all of them. Choma. Not me call them. Papa, I did training, you know, if you bring down my bed. Downstairs. Why they travel? Okay. And a very long panel. They'll come.
Level of brightness that comes to it. Do you think the cameras are used to monitor? Or it's a general problem? So you have to know that
I didn't hear you.
based on the kind of sunlight that the system receives. Do you think that there are cameras that can kind of coordinate or reduce the level of the speed that it has to sunlight? Because
We have a camera designed to handle heat.
no brightness. It's brightness.
So based on the brightness of the
The
sun,
sun. Yes, let's say
maybe the camera is outside.
no, the camera was inside.
Can I
Allow this guy to explain.
the thing there is, it was an experience on the site. So the thing there, sir,
Sit down. Finish, I'll give you time. Let me explain.
I know Sabi B.
The camera was inside. So the man wanted to point the camera towards the bed to cover and also cover the bed. But the sun, the rays of the sun, the reflection, it was kind of turning that side to a blind spot in the sense that it's only white that you don't see the reflection.
Now let me ask you a question. If you come and use your eye, you face direction of the sun, what do you mean?
It was not directly to the sun. It was inside, the camera was inside.
Have you used your camera to take picture? You do like this, it's not clear. You do like this, it's clear. Now, if you back the sun, your picture will be okay. Because the sun has direct effects on camera lens. You understand? That everything have side effects. Now, it will be hard for you to see a camera that will handle a situation that, okay, sun will not reflect on it. It's only for you to carefully know what to do, as in you can slide it. And but if you say the sun is coming, but the sun will also shift away from there. Emeka, say what you want to say to me.
Okay, no, sir, that is just...
You understand now? So there's no special camera that is designed to come. Your eye cannot stop the intensity of the sun. So for that, there's no camera that is designed that when sun is coming, shade. That is why they put, some of them have something electric to cover this thing, like in bullet form, so that it will shade off the sun. Then you can reposition the camera a while, electric. So that will solve the problem. Next person. Who is asking question? Hello. Are you ready for my? I want to pull it up. If you know that they've charged you already, raise your hand. You know that.
Yeah, they always charge you that.
It's a bit.
Last night, but this one. You see your guy will talk to you, go to the tell them to narrate. You don't need to I can't eat that. Put the camera.
We are starting from back. Okay, we are starting from front. Because the more you go, the cheaper it becomes. Question number 1. The first CCTV system, somebody is there. The first CCTV system was developed in Dash. B, clap for him. Clap for him now. The first CCTV system was developed in Germany. The first use of CCTV was for monitoring Dash. It's like this. A, banks. B, rocket launches. Rocket launches. Clap for him. Question number 3. Which company developed the first CCTV system in 1942? A, Siemens AG. Who is answering? Stand up now. You don't used to stand up. Be careful. Take time. This is the last time I'll tell you about standing. A, Siemens AG. B, Sony. C, Vericon. Sony. A, clap for him, please. Let me clap. Yes, you are googling answer.
No.
Please, can we please, if I see you googling answer, you pay 5,000 naira fine. Please, Priscilla, take your eye. Stand up and observe. Anybody, 5,000 so that our meeting will get weight. Question number what? 4. Stand up now. The first commercial CCTV product launched in the USA was A. SafeCam, B. Vericon, C. Circle Vision, D. This guy doesn't love you. Give me answer, give me answer, give me answer. Give me answer. If you correct, let me check. Question number what? Is it 4?
Yeah.
Question number 4. The answer is A. Very cool. Question number 5. In which decade did CCTV become common in casino and bank?
1980s.
In which decade did CCTV become common in casino and bank? What did you answer?
1980s.
Is it correct?
No.
What is the decade?
1960s.
Yeah.
This question said the answer is A. But it says very good. For question 4.
I said the answer is B now.
You said, I said,
No. I said
You said
the answer is. I said the other mentioned very con.
Yeah, you
The answer is very con.
answer, I got it, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for that.
The question number 6. The shift from analog to digital CCTV mainly began in I need all of us to answer. He said the shift from analog to 1990. I think it was on our listing. Did you get it? That's fine. Then question number what?
7.
Which technology enable face recognition and license plate detection in a modern CCTV? Which technology enable face recognition and plate number detection in modern CCTV? There are some that once you just try to capture your plate number, send it to database. Oh yeah, now A. Analog, B. VSH, AI, and the answer is C. Clap for him. Question number 8. Modern CCTV system allow real-time remote monitoring via what? A. Fast machine. B. Smartphone app. Clap for her. My uncle is very intelligent. Question number 9. CCTV serve as a dash against crime. A. Evidence. B. Deterrent. C. replacement. D. Signal. Did you get it?
Yes.
Deterrent. Did you get it?
Yes.
Is it evidence?
No.
What is deterrent?
Counter.
Against crime.
It counter against.
How does it counter crime? Huh? No, how will it counter crime now? Huh?
Actually, like you said, the knowledge of the presence of
He got it. Clap for him. Clap for him. I'm willing to wait. Question number. Please, one half.
Sit down now.
Question number 10. Which of these is not an advantage of CCTV? A. Employee productivity. B. Private inversion.
There is no more option.
C. Crime reduction. D. Remote monitoring. Which of these is not an advantage? A. Employee productivity. B. Privacy invasion. C. Crime reduction. D. Remote monitoring.
Sir D.
No.
Sorry, sir A. Wait, I don't say I'm well. Sir A.
The answer is B. The answer is B.
The answer is B.
Hey!
Even my admin know it. It's a very CCTV is often used in dash. A. Cooking. Yes, hello, one half. A. Cooking competition. B. Court proceedings. C. Weather forecasting. D. Online meeting. You 5, 4, that's it.
The
answer is B now. Court proceedings. When they are judging, doing court sitting. You need camera because tomorrow, like all the cases of all those cases, is there. They are covering his other footage so that tomorrow you will bring it. How can you say cooking competition? 12. CCTV integration. Please, if I hear you make noise, you give us fine. CCTV integration with alarm and access control is an example of dash. A. Standalone operation. B. System synergy. C. Disadvantage. D. Blind spot. You don't need to waste time. Just answer one. Okay, I'm carrying the question over. Huh? Somebody else. No.
system synergy.
The answer is 8. Baba, they don't come out, they come now. They move go since. Do you know what standalone means? You have so many things come together. Now these PTZ cameras are standalone camera. Public space such as airport use CCTV mainly for dash.
Clap for him.
Question 14. Which workplace benefit is associated with CCTV? A. Encourages indiscipline. B. Improves staff punctuality. C. Reduces productivity. D. Increase absenteeism. There's no difference between France and Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just one, even if you fail.
1.
You do like absent. This boy like absent. When they come work.
Hold on. Try to get this question well. It's because you don't listen well. Which is I did not say it for you to talk. It's me talking to him. It's not you. If you okay, tell him that whether he will not slap you. So I'm the one saying it. Which workplace benefit is associated with CCTV? What is the advantage of CCTV in office? A. Encourages indiscipline. That doesn't mean that the CCTV will make them not to obey people again. B. Improve staff punctuality. Because you know that there is a camera, you come early because very soon that place that we are putting attendance, one camera will be there covering you. One camera will be there covering you. That place that will have attendance, there is a camera, so write down that time that you come. Then let's go to section C. High cost of installation is considered a dash. Hello. High cost of installation of a CCTV is considered a dash. A. Benefit. B. Limitation. C. Neutral point. D. Strategy. B. Limitation. Clap for it. These are people that are listening well. 16. Which of, if you talk, you pay fine. Which of these is a technical limitation on CCTV? A. Blind spot. B. Collection. C. Employee discipline. D. Publicity safety. Five. 4, 3, 2, 1. Clap for him. CCTV is dependent on dash for operation. A. Gasoline. B. Power and network. C. Air condition. D. Radio frequency. Choma mo, choma. You are here. You are telling me to come again. Come here. Number 17. And if you fail it, you pay 100 naira per slip. 5, 4, 3, 2. B. Clap for him. 18. Storing high resolution. You don't even need to think about this one. Storing high resolution CCTV footage requires dash. A. Small USB. B. Large storage capacity. C. printed copies.
B, that's
Clap for him. You know if you fail am. Failure to clean camera lens regularly may cause dash A. Clearer image, B. Board video, C. Increased storage, D. Less crime. Board video. Clap for him. Which of these is not a CCTV limitation? A. Privacy concern, B. Deterrence of crime, C. High initial cost, D. Maintenance needs. Calm down. If I hear you talk, you will pay fine. Let me watch. 5, 4, 3.
B.
The answer is B.
That's correct.
This thing is just to understand, reason and understand. It's not. It's an advanced reasoning question. Question number 21. Question number: CCTV must not be installed in. Question 22. Which notice is often legally required where CCTV is in use? A. No loitering. B. Smile, you are on camera. C. This area is under CCTV surveillance. D. Private property. C. Clap for him. If you put a camera and you did not notify the public that this area is under surveillance, I think you are legally wrong. You understand? You have to place a notice for your people that are coming to be aware that this area is under, before they will now go and collect bonds and put inside. Okay, so it is the right of an individual for the person that installs CCTV to tell the public that this area is under surveillance. Normally, it's because of where we are. If it's abroad, we should have a sticker. Immediately you finish your work, you put your sticker on that. This area is under surveillance. In fact, Victor, we need a sticker. This area is under. Question 23. The Nigerian Data Protection Act (NDPA) relates to A. I did not teach this. Privacy and data handling. I think, but it's simple enough. B. CCTV maintenance. C. Camera pricing. D. Video compression. Huh? Talk.
I'm not talking A, sir.
A, yes, clap for him. 24. Retention period for CCTV footage is usually dash. You can't read.
I can't see.
Okay, you have
5 minutes.
FS. Number 1. Number FS.
Why they come around?
Unlimited.
They come up You say retention period is only. Depend on the storage capacity. So I will skip this question for you. Question 25. CCTV should be used primarily for dash A. Harassment, B. Spying on a friend, C. Safety and security, D. Entertainment. Clap for him. 26. Which international law influences CCTV data use in Europe? A. Recording without consent in private areas may lead to dash A. Award, B. Legal penalties, C. Free publicity, D. Stronger cameras. Oh, yeah. Who is answering? Oh, yeah, no. Recording without consent.
Victor, look that thing. Go ahead.
What time did Miracle answer?
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah. 5, 4,
It's B, sir.
B. 28. Ethically, CCTV use must be dash A. Abusive, B. Responsible, C. D. Expensive.
B, responsible.
Clap for him. So those of us that has money to pay, if you know you have money to pay, raise your hand. Stand up. Which people should stand up and let's answer question and free ourselves. Which factor should be A? Number 29. I have only 2 persons, so I want to pick only 2 persons. 29. Which factor should be considered before installing CCTV? A. Legal compliance. B. This is for you. A. Legal compliance. B. Camera color. C. Brand popularity. D. Number of staff. 5, 4, 3. The balance between security and individual privacy is a key dash. A. Ethical concern. B. Technical upgrade. C. Historical fact. D. Terminal resolution. Clap for him. A round of applause for everybody. So far so good. We have been able to dive into introduction to camera. So in our next class, we'll go into detail about this camera. So look at this camera, look at this type. So take your time. I hope all of us will have the module now. So take your time, go through the module, prepare to every class. Every class will handle 2 modules. It's total of 8 and 7 modules. 8. The 9th one is test. So every class we handle 2 modules. And so next class we are handling module 2 and 3. And module 2 and 3 is what? Let's module 2 and 3 is what?